Hello, this is Sandra Cho with Pointwealth Capital Management, and today I'm going to be going over August 2024. Equities bounced back after a lackluster July, with the S&P 500 up 2.3%, outpacing the NASDAQ, which was up 0.7%. The S&P signaled increased market breadth by beating the NASDAQ, which has been dominated by the Magnificent Seven tech stocks. August ended with the release of NVIDIA's most recent quarterly earnings, which showed AI demand still prevalent but slowing. Investors seem to show skepticism as new technologies have yet to significantly show in bottom lines. Across the pond, international developed equities had a strong month, with EFA up 3.3% during August, driven by data showing inflation on the decline and a likely rate cut by the European Central Bank in September. Emerging markets also were positive for August, up 0.9%, driven by Indian equities, which closed August at a record high. Investors are banking on a rate cut at the Fed's next meeting in September, with a 69% chance of a 25 basis point rate cut and a 31% chance of a 50 basis point rate cut. This has been good news for bonds, as the AG was up 1.2% for the month, bringing it solidly into positive territory for the year. Conversely, the yield on the 10-year Treasury has been on a sharp decline, ending August at 3.91%, over a 38 basis point drop from 5 weeks ago. Now on to economic data. August ended with the release of the PCE, showing inflation rising 2.5% from a year ago, exactly in line with consensus estimates. In short, inflation continues to slow and consumer spending remains strong. With inflation seemingly under control, the Fed is essentially locked into cutting rates at the September meeting with the hope that they did not wait too long. In addition, one-year job creation numbers ending in March 2024 were revised significantly lower, and the picture looks like the labor market has been deteriorating. With mixed economic numbers coming out, there is a relatively low but existing concern of a mild recession. In other news, the Summer Olympics came to a close with the U.S. and China tied for the most gold medals at 40 apiece. A super yacht off the coast of Sicily sank that was carrying several high-profile businessmen. And the first debate between presidential candidates Trump and Harris takes place on Tuesday, September 10th. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you next month.